Okay, here we have the origami paper. We will fold taco fold one time, another taco fold, and then we will come right to the middle, and this corner right to the middle, this corner right to the middle, and this one right to the middle. Now we will fold one more time to the edge, the intersection of this line and this line. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Now we will fold it in, fold this one in, fold this one in, fold this one in, 4 of them, turn it back, and this one right to the center again, right to the center again. I would like to open up and then fold in right to the center. Yes, we are right to the center. And now what we do, we open this one up, open this one up, it becomes a little heart shape, and 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, totally 6 of them, and glue them together. 1, press it very strongly. Okay, the last one. Okay, I will use my hand, count to 30. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。1、2、3、